welcome back. Hey, welcome back, family. Hey, and if you're new to this channel, my name is Amber, and on this channel we review fragrances and body care, and we sip a little tea from here and there. Your sis may go left, but that's okay. Just subscribe, give me the thumbs up, comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. And hey, family, hey, I hope you all are doing well. Hey, new family, I see y'all coming in. I hope you all are doing really well. Well, let's get really quick into it. Happy Friday, honey. This is going to be definitely a laid back video. Very quick, hopefully, because I have a lot of products. And my empties video don't always do good, but I just like to let you all know, and I got to empty out the trash, but I just like to let you all know my experiences. Would I repurchase it? Would I not? Let's get right into it, okay? So first, talking about skincare or makeup, let's talk about Charlotte Tilbury, the airbrush. Okay, this is gone. Okay, would I repurchase this? Yes, I have repurchased this. I will continue to repurchase this. This is definitely one that will probably always be a part of my collection. I use this, and I use the one size spray. So I use both of them actually, so that we can have the, so it just don't move. But I love this. Definitely a repurchase. Okay. Next up, honey, I had so much fun with this. This is the Pharmacy, and this is the Strawberry Shortcake Clean. This balm, this makeup balm. You all see makeup all over it, honey, because I use my products. And yeah. But this is the Strawberry and Shortcake. Yes, I would repurchase this. I don't think I've seen this, but this was like a limited edition. But this was so cute, very fun. It was fun to have a little bit of a fragrance of, strawberry shortcake fragrance in my makeup balm cleansing. It was so cute. So definitely would repurchase this. And then I have and will forever the Tatcha Dewy skin. Yeah. It's remaining in my, yes, this is so good, so plumping. It feels so good on the skin. If you have sensitive skin like myself, you would love this. You will see the results, the difference. You don't always have to wear makeup because your skin's gonna be rocking and rolling. It's so good, it's so moisturized. This is so good. Love the dewy skin, love Tatcha just as a brand. I've said it before, I would love just all of them, okay? Oil and Hendrix. I've talked about this, the Dark Spot Toner. I have purchased the small travel size all the time, but I got me a big bottle from Sephora that's coming in on its way. This does work. This is so good. Very good toner. Would absolutely repurchase. Another toner that I did like was the Lancome toner. This is really good. So I think I am going to repurchase this. I'm not kind of hunting this down to purchase it, but this was really good. Very luxury to me for my skin. It just worked. Okay, sometimes I don't always wear makeup, right? I wear makeup for the camera for you all, but honestly, I don't wear makeup on a day-to-day, and this makes my skin seem just refreshing. And not even seem, I hope my skin is refreshed, but it just gives the look of a very refreshed face look. And so I absolutely love this, adore this. Definitely would repurchase. And then as far as like a supplement, a women multivitamin, definitely the Oli brand, I would repurchase this. I will continue to. It's a great supplement. It's very easy. It's a gummy. It doesn't have an aftertaste. I don't like nobody's aftertaste, but it's really, really good. I have seen a difference. I would also repurchase the Fenty Skin. I told you all this will always be in this is the Instant Reset, the Overnight Recovery Gel Cream. This will always be a part of me. I will always be repurchasing this. Sell, no sell. This is a must for overnight. I did get another plumping mask that I'm excited to, from Laneige, that I'm excited to see what that does. But this is amazing for overnight. I love anytime the days that I do this, which are normally like Monday, Wednesday, Friday, when I do this, best nights ever. I wake up with baby skin, okay? Baby skin. Next up, let's get into some body washes, okay? Shall we? Yeah, let's. So, vanilla cake. Birthday cake, vanilla birthday cake from Philosophy. Would I repurchase this? Absolutely not. No. I don't know why y'all like this. Why do y'all like this? This absolutely smelled like soap. I was expecting it to smell like vanilla cake. Vanilla cake who? Vanilla cake where? Y'all smell vanilla cake? I ain't never smelled no vanilla cake in my... What vanilla cake smell like this? Because I don't want no parts of that vanilla cake. I don't want no parts of that cake. No parts. It wasn't made by Audrell. I want no parts. Y'all don't even know who Audrell is. It wasn't made by Couture Cakery like that. I always get. I don't want no parts of this cake. None. I ain't like this. I like it. I will not repurchase that. I mean, I have not found, and no shade on philosophy. I promise you, no shade. Those that love philosophy, I love it for you. But I have not found one that I'm like, let me repurchase this. Have not. Do you all have some suggestions? Leave them down below. I would love to know. No. This one, the sea kelp, the hyaluronic acid one from OGX. Yes, this would be a repurchase. This is definitely gives me vacation, very spring, very, I mean, this smells good. And this smells up the entire shower. So if you're looking for, but not like a beachy vacation, right? This is like under the sea. This is like the sea vacation, like a river, a stream, you know, maybe like a camping. Well, I didn't make that sound really good, but it does smell really good. Like, I kid you not. It does smell really good, but it's not like coconut beach vacation vibes. It's definitely the sea vibes. If you see what I'm, just smell it. Okay. Next up, I have two soaps in front of me, which is the white cranberry soap from Bath and Body Works, and then I have the gingerbread bakery. Both are really good, honey. I mean, soap, it goes on your hand. Who pairing soap? Is somebody pairing soap out in America? Is somebody pairing soap? I don't pair soap. It goes on, it goes off. I walk, and then it's off. Like, so honestly, I mean, I enjoyed the scent, but would I repurchase it? I would just repurchase another Bath and Body Works, but I ain't repurchasing nothing Bath and Body Works soap. I got too many already, so they were good. I mean, this did smell like gingerbread, so it was cool, and this did smell like cranberry, so I don't know what it was good. Okay. Anyway, back to the body wash. So I got Native Galore. So we got caramel, the coconut caramel. This was cool. Would I repurchase it? No. The trefoils. Is that what y'all said these was? The trefoils. The trefoil. Honey, whatever this is called. It's a sugar cookie. It's a vanilla sugar cookie. And would I repurchase it? Sure. I mean, was it on sale? I mean, but I wouldn't be hunting this down. I mean, I would not. I would just get the sugar cookie that I like so much. But I wouldn't be hunting this down. Like, limited edition, I'm not looking for it. But gummy bears, you all know I love a Native. I love Native, so I got Native Galore. So I don't even know if this is on the site anymore. Probably not. But gummy bears, amazing. They need to bring that back. It smells just like gummy bears. Fruity, candy. Oh, so good. So good. Thin Mints, now this smells like mint. That's what this was. This was what the picture says. Exactly what the picture is. It was okay. I mean, if you like spa-like vibes, if you like minty scented things, you would love this, right? Thin Mint. You would love this. You're probably looking at me like, what are you talking about? This is the best thing since sliced bread. I mean, it's cool. It's a mint. I mean, mint. Now, I will say disrespectfulness of the cucumber mint. Now, this mint, why did it come out like that? Now, do body wash go bad? Because how it came out was very it wasn't the same texture as I'm used to from a Native. But maybe it went bad. I did not know that body wash goes bad. Is there an expiration date on this? I don't see one right now. So let me know if there's an expiration on this. Where is it? I don't see it. But it came out real disrespectful. And so I didn't have the most pleasant experience because I actually wanted this to go away. It came out very slimy and oozy, and I didn't like it. I didn't even know what the scent smelled like because I was just so disgusted by how it came out. Okay. Peanut butter. This was good. Actually, I will repurchase this. I like the good peanut butter. It was really good. Really cute. Cute. Would I be hunting this down? Nah, I wouldn't hunt for her. I wouldn't be checking her, hunting for her. But really cute. Repurchase. Yeah, I might. If it was out there, I might repurchase it. Was it at a discount? I might repurchase her. Mint cookie cupcake. I feel like Native, you and these mint and all these different fragrances, I feel like you do the same thing and you just name it something else. Am I right? Or am I wrong? Am I wrong? If you like mint, it's mint. That's what this is. Now this one. Ooh, baby. The fresh peach cupcake. Amazing. Let's do it again. If I could repurchase this, yes. Bring this one back. Bring this old school one back. Okay, this I had so much fun. I love a good Native. If you all didn't know, can you tell? And then the toasted marshmallow vanilla. So good. But I kind of wore it just recently. Wrong season. If you want a little toasty kind of vanilla scent, that's a good one. But check it in the fall, winter. It was all right. Wasn't all that. Next, honey skin potion cookie butter. Repurchase where? Yes, all day, every day, cookie butter down. And in the tub, you see this is grease. Like, honey, the oils is second to none. You want to be an oil bomb? Okay, you want to go grease bomb at night? That's your grease bomb, but it smells so good. It smells like cookie. It smells great. Yes, repurchase, absolutely. Candles real quick. Mary Maple Bourbon. I like the after smell. When we got down to the burn, I was like, okay, it smells like trees and burning and what? Why? It was like, what? Why? Not my favorite. Now, what was my favorite? Ooh, this cranberry pear. Woo! Yes. Repurchase? Yes. Repurchase all the time? Yes. Peppermint sugar cookie. My mom was sick of this. Like, why did I even burn this? I think anything that says mint, I'm just tapping myself out to mint. I think I'm done with the mint. I don't know. I'm trying not to give up on it, but it was alright. Would I repurchase it again? Nah. But if I have it in my collection, am I going to burn it? Yeah, we going to get it out the way. But the ice cream sugar cookie, and that's from Bath & Body Works. Now, this one is from Goose Creek. This one, good. Amazing, beautiful, pretty, all the things, thrills, chills, and good gumdrops, good. It was good. Now, did it stay in close counters? Yes. But would I repurchase it? Cool, yes. I think I would save it for the fall. Repurchase it because it gave that cinnamon cookie caramelish type of scent, ice creamish. It was good. It was really good. Wasn't mad at that. Poppy, would I repurchase it? It was okay, but no, I wouldn't be checking for it. Sunshine mimosa. Yeah, if I'm looking for a citrus, it's cool. It's cool. The pretty as a peach though. Yeah. Pretty as a peach. Ooh, 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 ooh. Pretty as a peach. Maybe that's why y'all like these videos, because I'll be just getting bloop, bloop, bloop. This was good. Yeah, that was good. Now, listen. Dream Bright. All day, every day. If they came back with this, I would repurchase this. This was so good. And this has your sapphire berries. This has your night blooming orchid. And this has your crystallized vanilla. So good, so good. And did I say so good? Amazing. And then sugar cookie doodle. Look at this. This foil. Yeah, I don't like when it does this because it gets all in my shower. This was not a good experience. Did I like the scent? Yeah, but this part, I guess after a while, this is what happens if it's like an older packaging. Let me know below. I'm not the expert here of the Bath & Body Works, but let me know. Like, is this what we do? I didn't like this. I didn't like that it was all in my shower, messed it up, and I didn't like that. Would I repurchase this? I mean, for the scent, yes, but if it's going to do the same thing, and see, it's coming off on me now. What? It's doing the same thing. Like, no, throwing this away. That's why we had to do this video. Well, that's all. That's all, family. I hope I did that in some good timing for you. But this is what I have been rocking and rolling with, and hopefully you all enjoyed this video. It's a little bit more laid back. You know, I just ramble and go, okay? Make sure you subscribe. Give me a thumbs up. Comment down below. Would love to get to know you and meet you. I would love to know what you have emptied. What are some of your experiences that you have? What are some of the things that I need to get? Okay? Not that I need not nothing. Make sure you're good to yourself. Give yourself some grace. And if no one tells you you're more than enough, yeah, your sis just did. Bye, family. I love you so much. Bye.